All right, so this is just a quick walkthrough of MX Merchant. We're going to go through some of the features, breaking it up into a few different videos to highlight each feature. So first and foremost, this is the dashboard once you log into mxmerchant.com. First thing is Quickpay. This is basically your virtual terminal function. So you click on this, it's going to pop open this little payment window. Very easy. You type in the amount that you want to charge. You key in the card number here, the date that is valid through postal code security code, and press charge. With that, it'll process the payment. The next screen will give you the option to email, text, or print a receipt, and then it closes out and brings you right back here. So that's a very basic or a very minimum that you would need to process a transaction. However, you might want to add some more data there just for your own record keeping. So if you click Advanced, there's some more that you can add to this transaction. There's the memo field. So basically this shows up as a memo on the receipt. So you could just, this is deposit for, or, payment for this, or it's a quick note to the, so that they can identify what this is for. Customer name. So by adding a customer name, you are able to save that information, a customer number, or an invoice number on the payments tab. So basically once you run this transaction, if you don't put any name on here, it'll tell you the date, the amount, the last four of the card, but you don't know who ran this transaction. I'm sorry, who the customer is on this transaction. You put a customer name on it, it'll save that in the record, and I'll show you that in the reporting in a minute. The final thing you can do through here is a card on file transaction. So let's say, I run a card once and I enter the customer name. If this vault is set to yes, that'll create a customer record. So for instance, if I do myself, click here, come back up, and you'll see that I have a card on file ending 4058. So if I click that, it'll populate the card information. I could also have multiple cards on file, and if so, you'd have a list of them right down here. And if you have ACH enabled on the account, you'll have the ability to process ACH payments and have that information on file as well. So that's the basics of the Quickpay.